In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner. Select files over here. And to add an audio one, select audio at the top, use one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your recording and tap on select at the top right corner. If you want to add a video file, hit gallery, look for your video and click on it to attach it. You can also select folders over here, click on your video and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!